from now on, me and you are going to excuse ourselves from two people that have seen each other's private parts, okay? We are going to exit stage left when it comes to the matters of people who have done private part collaborations. They did the Vinky Vonko on Monday, Tuesday, not Wednesday, because they had to take 6 showers. It's none of my business again. Can we just behave like interns at Rampedi Media and mind the business that doesn't pay us? No, because khona manje bayasichika. Khona manje bayasichika. And it's we were just trying to, we were not, but ngiyanamukela kunqubo yami. Bomtaba dad, bomtaba gogo, bomtaba auntie, bomtaba sissy. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Happy Monday, everybody. It is the 20th of October. Like time is moving so fast. It's like the winds in Cape Town that cancel marathons. It is wild. It is insane. It's moving way too quickly. Okay. Tomorrow is Poppy's birthday, Kim Kardashian's birthday, and Tony Braxton's birthday. It's a busy day tomorrow. Wait a king. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want to get more eyes on your businesses, your services, your YouTube channel, I am the girl to come to. I have got you covered. And on today's video, okay, and Lembali is up to here with us. Understandably so, right? Lerato Nxumalo. You guys started it, and now she's finishing it with the judicial system. She's using lawyers, and you know Lerato's lawyers are not from Scorpion or Legal Wise. It's those ones, Sokulu and Partners. Also, Zizo Kala. Hi, and then one of the girls Lerato posted has responded. Ah, we see. Okay. Now, if you love yourself some hair, some good quality hair, okay, Lucem is a Nigerian hair runner based in South Africa. She sources the best hair for you in Nigeria, okay? She handles you on WhatsApp. Any type of hair that you can think of, she has got you covered. Lucem.
Molonian staff, hi! I'm about to become your favorite Nigerian hair runner based in South Africa, but you just don't know it yet. If you know anything about the Nigerian ladies, you know they don't compromise and they don't play when it comes to the quality of their hair. Now, if you're on the market and you're looking for good quality hair, but you're so tired of paying these ridiculous amounts, I'm the girl to talk to. I help you source hair directly from Nigerian wholesalers at wholesale prices and bring it to South Africa, and then it gets to you. Ladies, I say I'm going to be your favorite runner because when this hair gets to your hands, you will not stop coming to me and sourcing hair from me. I look forward to hearing from you on my WhatsApp because that's where I do my business. And any kind of unit that you are looking for, it doesn't have to be this particular unit. If you've been on the market for a 30-inch ombre, curls, pixie, deep wave, any type of unit that you're looking for, I can help you source it. I look forward to hearing from you, ladies, because you are not about to walk these streets with bad quality hair. Not under my watch. Bye.
As you can see, the stunning Lucem is here waiting for you to hit her up. I will leave her details in the description box down below. Listen, Ibamuhle Slayer Bangene, she has got you covered. Go over there and support her. Now, let us talk about ONM Bali. Okay, she is upset. She's extremely unhappy with us as Umpagat. You know why? You know, gore I get the 50-50. They are partners in crime, partners in arms, partners in the divorce court, and partners in parenting, right? A lot of people have been coming for Black Coffee, and obviously they make jokes about his physical limitations, which is not fair, me included, which is not fair. You know, it's wrong. Umbad has come for us and said we need to stop making jokes and these little nuances when it comes to her ex-husband's hand. Like, we need to stop.
Hello, everyone, and I'm just saying today I'm not going to be nice. I'm going to be quite frank. I'm disgusted at what you guys did with the previous post. Now, as much as Black Coffee and I are not together, he's still the father of my children. Now, you cannot do what you're doing with this hand situation. I think it is insensitive and outright stupid. Stop it. I'm going to be a mother right now because I feel I need to. You can sometimes be very insensitive with very serious matters. The post I made was from set. Now stop it. Stop being stupid. Behave. Why ninja? As a black people, it's embarrassing how you guys constantly pull each other down. Stop.
Nyakuzwa Kolite, nyakuzwa. How. It will never happen. Nirong, I take accountability and responsibility. Now in management, you take accountability and responsibility for laughing. It will not happen on our part. We are sorry, Sister Ntswembu, and we need to respect you and your what? Angie Motshekga, your syllabus is showing me fire every day. Angie, as my acting president, stop. Ha! Anyway, guys, you get it. So, Ababa Lolo, Ababa Lolo, yeah. Speaking of Ababa Lolo, Lerato Ngomala, she has involved the lawyers. Now, she said that to everyone, bloggers, YouTubers, gossip pages that spoke about her and her husband. She's coming for us with the lawyers. And the West Nina that showed his face, she's coming for you. And you know, Lerato does not use legal wise and Scorpion lawyers. Those ones of Sokulu and partners. And she says that people have been sending her Instagram follow requests to this gentleman, especially South African women, and have also come for the mother and the family of said gents from Facebook to Instagram. You guys, ninja. No, ladies, and it's you, ladies. Do you see how many people that she was putting up, exposing, that have sent a follow request ever since the names were put out? No, Busi, no, Talifang, Bolerato Babang, won't have saying, you guys, why Nezanjan? Why do you feel the itch, the burn, and the need to follow other people's husbands? Why? Why? You think because you see a certain lifestyle aesthetic, you think that they're going to leave their partners, ne? And then skim you from the follow requests, and then your fairy tale is going to begin in the DMs like a Tyler Perry movie. Mzonshai, Nirongo acrimony. You are the battery in acrimony. You were with Tyler when he was writing the script in acrimony. Nirong. Now, one of the ladies who sent a follow request, right, is there gaslighting Lerato, okay? She put out a story on her Instagram and she said Lerato is not behaving like what she preaches. She seems to be kind, but what she has done by exposing them is really not kind. She must practice what she preaches. Uyahlanya. Uyahlanya. All right? Is your mate all right? No, guys, this is like another level of gaslighting. When you went to too many pre-DD parties, you do something wrong, and then they expose you for doing something wrong. And then you come and you say, why must you expose me when you claim that you are a kind person? Then it means that you are really not kind. Uyagula. Uyagula. Guys, this is what you get. This is what you get. Obviously, no good deed goes unpunished. You decided that they put out this name and you are going to follow this account, right? Okay, what were your what were your kind intentions by following this account? What did you think was going to happen? Or you thought maybe you guys were going to share scriptures when your follow request was accepted? Like, I just know, please take me through it. Take me through it. I just want to know. Exactly my point. So why do you guys do these amazing things? And then when people retaliate, yeah, you victim shame, you victim blame. When someone now takes action against your deeds, you start going and doing social media gymnastics. Don't reach. You haven't even stretched, so don't reach. Don't do that. Calm down. And then now let's also address this. You guys are wild. I was listening to Oli Kabash's vlog. You guys are now jumping on her mom, wanting to take pictures with her mom and the son. Why? Why are you guys doing that? Guys, it's really, we are living in a very insane parasocial world right now. Over yo, Angie, don't do this. Familiarity breeds contempt. Over familiarity breeds ukujwayelana kabi. Because the mother and the son are not the influencer. They are not the content creators. Why are you jumping on the mom and the son to take pictures? Hi Nina Ngzonshai. But I won't, because it's happened to me more times than I would like to talk about. You guys remember when you found Baba Snake at his workplace? You guys, I thought that was wild. But then I had remembered, Hori, people tried to grab my daughter at the mall, like pick her up from my hand. You remember? You remember my good people from Jablane Mall? Yeah? When I was working with Doctor and Professor, and you guys grabbed Professor and you said, oh, then I see. And my daughter started screaming for her life. You remember? Because why are you picking up my child? Why are you familiar with my child like that? You know? Because I'm the Nyan Amugela Dad, not professor, not doctor. Why were you doing that? I was shook that you also do it to other people. I'm shook. Gi shook. Okay? Shook is even an understatement. Guys, don't do that. You know? You love and you support your content creators. Great. When you see them, they are the ones on camera. Jump for them. Why are mothers and children involved? Guys, stop. Stop it. Luna la makatsa. Liphila bophelo bo makatsang. Like, I just, wow, what? No, no. Sokulu and partners really need to be involved for some cases, because